Guys, so welcome to Geomania. So in this video we are going to discuss about a sedimentary rock called shale. So let's get started. So shale is any of a group of fine-grained laminated sedimentary rock consisting of silt and clay-sized particles. Shale is the most abundant of the sedimentary rock, accounting for roughly 70% of the rock type in the crust of the earth. So, talking about the occurrence of shale, they are often found with layers of sandstone or limestone. They typically form in environments where mud, silt, and other sediments were deposited by gentle transporting currents and become compacted, as for example, the deep ocean floor. Basins of shallow seas, river, floodplains, and playas. Most shales occurs in extensive sheet several meters thick, though some develop in lenticular formation. In composition, shales characteristically consist of at least 30% clay minerals and substantial amounts of quartz. They also contain smaller quantities of carbonates, feldspar, iron oxide, fossils, and organic matter. Some organic rich shales called oil shales contain kerogen, that is chemically complex mixture of solid hydrocarbon derived from plant and animal matter in large quantities to yield oil when subjected to intense heat. The structure of shale is typically a laminated structure and are fissile, that is, they exhibit a tendency to split into thin layers that are usually parallel to the bedding plane surface. Shales are commercially important, having many applications in the ceramic industry in particular. They are a valuable raw material for tile, brick, and pottery and constitute a major source of alumina for Portland cement. In addition, advances in recovery methods may one day make oil shale a practical source for liquid petroleum. So, some of the other facts about the shale are shales that are deposited in oxygen rich environment often contain tiny particles of iron oxide or iron hydroxide mineral such as hematite, goethite, or limonite, and just a few percentage of this mineral distributed through the rock can produce the red, brown, or yellow colors exhibited by many types of shale. That is, the presence of hematite can produce red shale, etc. Then comes, that is, the shale is the rock most often associated with landslide. It is said because weathering transforms the shale into a clay rich soil which normally has very low shear strength, especially when wet. When these low strength materials are wet and on steep hillside, they can slowly or rapidly move down slope. Overloading or excavation by humans will often trigger a failure. And the third one is oil shale is a rock that contains significant amount of organic material in the form of kerogen. That is, this is usually much less efficient than drilling rock that will yield oil or gas directly into a well. Up to one third of the rock, that is the oil shale, can be solid kerogen, and liquid and gaseous hydrocarbons can be extracted from oil shale, but the rock must be heated or treated with the solvents. So thank you for watching video. Have a great day, and if you have any inquiries or need more videos about these types of content, please comment below and like, share, subscribe.